I think you all are quite familiar with the most dangerous hunter of the sea, the great white shark. When it comes in contact of us, we will get highly terrified. Even we will lose our confidence. But do you know a hunter much more dangerous than the great white shark always stays with us in our home? And it is also true that the total number of people that shark had killed in the last century, this hunter kills even every single day. Even Alexander the Great has also kneeled down in front of this hunter. And it is also true that anyone among us in future may come in contact with this hunter. But the hunter about whom I am going to talk of, we come in contact with that hunter even every single day. But the most strange thing of that hunter is that the size. The size of the great white shark is such huge that it can tear a human body into two different parts by its single attack. While the size of the hunter about whom I am talking of is such small that even we can crush it with the help of our pinch. But still, this hunter is alive from the age of dinosaurs. So, do you know the name of that hunter? Yes, don't worry about it. The name of that hunter is mosquito. Isn't it interesting fact? Yes. So now let's get started. It's me Vikram. Now let me share some incident that happened with me. I would like to name this incident the point that changed my life, or the point that changes the life of every person. Before November 2021, everything was quite fine with me. I was very happy with my life. I was living, enjoying every single second of my life. I had a number of desires, I had a number of dreams for my future. I had a number of ambition, I had a number of work to do in my future. But suddenly some incident occurred together at the same time on the occasion of Chhath Puja that changed everything in my life. Even I lost my happiness. I became an aimless person. Even I was not prepared for the Ost period. So I can say that I am passing through the most toughest period of my life without any hope, without any desire, without any ambition, without any goal, without any interest in my life. Or simply I can say that I sometimes realizes that I am alive dead body. Sometimes I remember the lines of that Amitabh Bachchan. He says that मैं जहाँ से खड़ा होता हूँ line वहीं से शुरू होती है. But I have also reformed a line related to this that मैं जहाँ से खड़ा होता हूँ line नहीं समस्या वहीं से खड़ी होती है और उसे solve भी मुझे ही करना होता है. Let's put it aside, it was my problem. But let's move to the points that every student are facing nowadays. Even every peoples of the world are facing nowadays. That is unemployment. I think you all are quite familiar with this word, unemployment. But why there is unemployment in the world? Do you know? Every people of this world only hope for the best in their life. No doubt. Everyone should hope for the best. They should must give their best in their work, in their education, or in their strategy to get settled down in their life. But at least they must be prepared for the worst gain, the worst time of their life. They must have plan B in their life. For example, many of us are students of competitive examination. We all prepare for it. We work very hard in order to crack the targeted examination. Even we work till the last age, but many of us fail to crack the examination either because of our own problem or because of the bad policies of the government. Thereafter, we remain unsuccessful. We remain unemployed for the entire life. Do you know the reason? The question is why, and the answer is so simple that all the students only hope for the best in their life. They never get prepared for the worst period of their life. They never thought that if in any case, if I will not be able to crack the examination, if I will not be able to get success in the work, if I will not be able to settle down in their life, what will be my plan B in order to get settled down in the life? What will be my plan B in order to start my business? What will be my plan B in order to crack the examination? At last, I would like to suggest every people of this world that you must have plan B in your mind that will support you in order to get settled down in your life. You must be ready for the worst when the worst period of your life. That's all. It's Mary. Thank you.